Hello everyone, let's talk about Microsoft forcing the update to Windows 11 version 25H2 on devices running version 24H2 with no option to stop it. Although version 25H2 was originally released on September 30th, 2025, the update has been an optional install for compatible devices. However, the company is now forcing the upgrade through the Windows Update settings. The main reason is that Windows 11 version 24H2 will reach the end of support on October 13, 2026, and if these devices are not upgraded now, they will no longer receive security updates after this version is no longer supported. If you still have a computer running version 24H2, you can upgrade manually to version 25H2 using the Windows Update settings. However, it is not recommended to use the installation media or ISO file, as this option will trigger a full reinstallation of the operating system. Now, even though version 24H2 is still supported, it is not a big deal the upgrade to version 25H2 because the two operating systems are exactly identical. The only difference is the version number and the support schedule. If version 25H2 has an issue, the chances are that the same issue is available on version 24H2. I think that the biggest problem here is the perception when it comes to Microsoft pushing updates automatically without the user's explicit permission. However, in this case, even though it would be better to have the option, it doesn't make much of a difference. Now, if you're ready for version 25H2 and you don't want to wait, just go to the settings tab, then on Windows Update, just make sure to turn on this option and click the check for updates button. Now, you don't have to do anything if you want the update to install and apply automatically. In the coming days, your computer will upgrade automatically. It is important to know that automatically installing a new version doesn't mean that your device will upgrade immediately. Instead, the company plans to roll out the update gradually, ensuring that only devices with a good upgrade experience receive it first. And that's it. Let me know in the comments if you are already running version 25H2, and if you're still running version 24H2, let me know the reason why you're not upgrading, considering that both versions are exactly the same. Remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.